Germinating seeds is very easy, even if, for legal reasons, we can't actually say what specific seeds we may be referring to. The first thing to say is that not all seeds will germinate at the same speed. Some may germinate within a couple of days, others may take over a week. To begin with, check your seeds. They should be brown, hard and dry. If they look green and fresh, they haven't yet matured and will not be ready. The equipment you need to germinate your seeds is not exactly cutting-edge technology. 2 plates, 4 sheets of kitchen roll, some distilled water, and that's it. Oh, and don't forget your seeds. First off, dampen but don't oversoak the kitchen paper with the distilled water. Then lay 2 of the 4 sheets on a plate. On top of the sheet, place your seeds, approximately an inch apart. Then place the remaining 2 sheets of paper on top and gently press them down. Finally, invert the second plate and place it on top to form a dome. Now the seeds are in a dark, damp place. To help them germinate, all they need is a little warmth, keeping them at a temperature of between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next few days, check that the paper never dries out, but don't oversoak it. You will know when a seed has germinated as it will have split and what is called the taproot will have begun to grow. At this stage, resist the temptation to touch your seeds as they are very fragile and susceptible to germs. Get some small 2-inch pots and fill them nearly to the top with potting compost. Make a small hole in the center of the compost about 1/4 inch deep using a pencil. Then, using a pair of tweezers, gently transfer the germinated seeds into the soil with the taproot pointing downwards. Dampen the soil with a spray bottle to keep it moist, but if the compost becomes too wet, the seed may well wither and die. We'll cover lighting in a separate video, as that's quite a lot to discuss. So, in the meantime, if you have any germinating tips, share them with us in the comments section below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you too can become a cannabis expert.